Hey, Coach Tony here. Hey, look, I'm talking about credit today. One of my many things I do. Look, I just wanted to share this with you. It's kind of disturbed. I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but I've been seeing people spending $300 to $3,500 on with these companies who tell you that they can repair your credit quickly. And then look, all they using is the FTC rules and CFPB, all of that stuff, and filing false police reports. Look, be careful with that. You don't need to do that. Make sure you do it right. And look, the other thing too, I think people get sucked in when they see when they see these creators, whether it's on YouTube or whatever, they see these huge gains. 100 points, 120, 150. Well, I should own a credit repair company for years. And look, I'm gonna tell you how that happens. And I've had gains. I think my largest gain was like 187 points. And the reason why you see those gains is this: because somebody's credit has gone dormant. They haven't done anything. They've been out of the market on credit in a while. They weren't going to buy anything, so on and so on. You will not see those with people who are working on their credit 30, 60, 90 days. People who have worked on their credit for that period of time, 30, 60, 90 days, because all those big gains are gone. But somebody that maybe have 4, 5, 6 items on their credit, they're dormant. Companies sold them. They no longer have them. So yeah, you'll see those huge gains. And those companies, those are the clients that they post. People who haven't worked on their credit in a while. And they'll see the huge gains. Somebody's got a medical that's on there and hasn't been taken off for some reason, or they got some company on there that they sold it. But you could do that yourself. And you could do it quickly online by calling the company. Don't be afraid to verify this. I know you've been away for a year, 2, 3, 4. You say, hey, look, I give them your name, give them your information, and say, hey, I'm not admitting to the debt, but I want to know what this is. And that's all you need to say. And if your whole goal is to let it time out based on the state that you're in, because each state has a statute of limitation on that debt when it runs out. 3, 4, 5, 6 years, depending on the state that you're in. So if that's what you're willing to do, keep doing that. And look, I mean, you could do this on your own. And look, how you do it is that when you call them to verify it, if they cannot verify it, and it's on your credit report, you can go right online. All these so-called experts tell you, don't do it online, you lose your rights. That's BS. Go online, it's going to get deleted the same day, if not within a few days, right away. And Experian, generally, the same day, because they have verification systems built in all these CRAs, these credit reporting agencies. So I did one for my son not too long ago, where he had an old medical from college. And I'm actually walking them through it on TransUnion.com. And by the time we disputed it, once he disputed it, he got an email while hadn't even finished the whole file yet. And he's like, Dad, I got an email from TransUnion. I said, open it. And it said basically that thing had been removed because once again, it was dormant. They no longer have it. So that's how you get those huge gains. Stop paying this $300 to $3,500 for these, identity theft removal. And because the other thing too, and I even watched some of those videos yesterday. These guys like, oh, they still got this account, they still got that. Look, once that company reports again, it's coming right back on your credit. Don't think for a minute. And if they do what we call a credit sweep, you better get what you want to get before it all comes back. So, but I would say, don't do that. You don't need to. So, anyway, Coach, I wanted to share that with you. I've been meaning to make this video for a while. Hopefully that helps you. Okay, till next time. Later.